U.S. Government Emergency Alert. U.S. Government Emergency Alert. Emergency Alert. There has been a nuclear power plant destruction explosion. So if you live in the area of Michigan, United States, please evacuate immediately. Everyone is receiving this call. Please evacuate immediately. Everyone is receiving this call.
Count on the professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts to recommend the best products for your car. Get maximum cooling system performance for 10 years or 300,000 miles with peak long life universal pre-mixed antifreeze and coolant. On sale now for just
U.S. Government Emergency Alert. U.S. Government Emergency Alert. There has been a nuclear power plant incident at the Donald C. Cook Nuclear Power Plant. If you live in the area of Michigan, United States, please evacuate immediately. This message will repeat until everyone has evacuated.
I prefer my humor to be much more sophisticated.
It's still the Eat Fresh Refresh, and Subway's refreshing their app. So you can customize your favorite footlong, set a pickup time, and jump the line. Oh, here she goes.
False alarm. There is no active emergency at the Donald C. Cook Nuclear Power Plant Station. Please disregard the previous emergency alert. Once again, false alarm. There is no active emergency at the Donald C. Cook Nuclear Power Plant Station. Please disregard the previous emergency alert.
In the future, we'll travel to incredible places with the help of magical technology. But what about today?